In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find Instagram filters in 2020. Okay, so once you're on Instagram and you have logged in, what you can do is swipe to the right to go to the stories feature. Now, once you're on the stories feature, you can see the different filters at the bottom. But if you want to search for new filters, you need to scroll all the way to the right, and then you'll be on the browse effects tab. You tap on that. That will take you to the effects gallery, and you can go ahead and scroll through and find different effects that you can go ahead and use and save to your camera, so you can go ahead and use them. You can go to the search button at the top right. You can search for effects like the green screen effect, and it'll bring you up all the various green screen effects. So if you know the name of a specific effect you want, you can go ahead and search for it. Otherwise, you can just browse through and find effects. Let's say I want to select this effect right here. All I need to do is tap on the download button. That will be saved to camera, and then I can go ahead and use it and take videos with it. So that is how you find Instagram filters in 2020. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.